Approval forms in Yeeflow make it easy to build business processes and key business systems. You can use approval forms to structure the submission and approval of business processes across departments within your organization. For example, purchase requests, expense reimbursements, business trip requests, etc. You can also use approval forms to build process-driven operations. For example, supplier evaluation, project approval, etc. As a Yeeflow application component, approval forms can be added to the application, allowing users to submit and approve requests within the application. Powerful form and process designers are provided within the approval form, allowing you to easily build your business processes through a drag-and-drop interface which are capable of meeting business needs from simple to complex. Next, please follow us through the setup of the approval form to quickly understand how it is used. First, let's open the Projects of Excellence application. Click on the plus button in the top navigation menu bar, then select Approval Form. In the pop-up Create a Form window, you can choose one of the following options to create an approval form. Blank form. Start from scratch to create a completely new form. Import form. Import the structure from an existing form file. Create with AI. Generate a form quickly with the help of AI. Templates. Select from a variety of ready-to-use form templates to speed up the process. We choose to create a blank form. In the pop-up window, set the name to Project Approval and the ID to Pro AF1. Once the form is created, a pop-up window will ask you if you want to open the Form Designer. Click the OK button to enter the Form Designer. Click on the plus button at the top left of the Form Designer, scroll down to the General section, find the Title control, then click and drag the control to add it to the top of the canvas. Select this control, and in the Control Property Setting panel on the left, change the text of this title control to New Project Approval Form, then select the size to Large and Alignment to Center. Next, right-click on the title control to open the context menu box, select Duplicate in the pop-up menu. Then a copy of the title control will be added at the bottom, which is used to display the basic description information of the form. Change the content of the new control to use the template to capture your project's desired outcomes, benefits, and anticipated resource requirements, and change the size to small. Click the plus button from the top left of the Form Designer to open the Controls panel. Scroll down to the General section, find and drag the divider control to the bottom of the previous title control. Then, in the Control Property Settings panel, switch to Style Settings and change the color and weight. Once you have modified it, click the Preview button to preview the form content and styles you've set. In the next section, we will add project-related fields for project data input. Thank you for watching.